La manogom lascia passum la de tedum vocalirum. La manogom lascia passum la de tedum vocalirum. Hi there. It's one of my favorite vocalizes, and well, it's helped me fix a lot of difficult passages. Find out how to use your vocalizes to fix trouble spots in your own repertoire. My name is David Paul Norman, and I'm America's best and your favorite voice coach. Say you're learning a challenging song and there's a part that goes kind of high or just isn't quite coming together. You can use the work you do vocalizing to fix it. Here's how. Comment down below. I can use my vocalizes to fix trouble spots. I can use vocalizes to fix trouble spots. Let's take the song Nature Boy by Eden Abez. It was made famous by Nat King Cole, Frank Sinatra, and later by David Bowie, and has most recently appeared in the 2019 production of Moulin Rouge. If you're not familiar with those performances, go check them out. They're in the description down below. They're all on YouTube and all the other streaming platforms. So when I was learning the song, it was a little bit on the high side for me. I was fond of the David Bowie version, and that F at the end was kind of high. So here is how I would approach it. As I said, the La Minogam exercises I showed at the beginning is one of my favorite vocalizes, and I've sung it so many times I could sing it in my sleep. So I would take that ending phrase that ends on the F and replace the words with La Minogam, or one of the syllables from the exercise, until I found the one that was easiest to sing. Then I would sing that ending note and hold the syllable that was easiest to sing and memorize how it felt to sing there and to make that vowel shape, and then bring the words back and recreate the mouth shape I used with the practice syllable, like this. La minogam, la minogam, la minogam, la minogam. Then I locked that into my muscle memory by telling myself it was locked in and singing it a few times, so when I sang it in performance, it would happen automatically. And be loved in return. It's important to practice your vocalizes on different syllables for this to help you develop more control over your voice. I often have my clients sing in different voices. My favorite is Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. Thanks, Jim Wall, for that idea. And meow, 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 meow. But you should cycle through, at minimum, the 5 fundamental vowel sounds of A, E, I, O, U. Next week, I'll show you how to do that and give you some vocalizes to do. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can get updates about new videos. Also, liking and subscribing helps the algorithm get the word out, so this video can be seen by other people who might be interested, so you can help me help other people. Be sure to click the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as new videos post. Have fun and keep singing.